For the first time on the Roy-Hart YouTube channel, we are going to be doing an unboxing video of the Yum Yum box with Glenna Goodenough, Charlie Brigham,
hey,
Justin Camp himself.
Let's get
from
right
the
into
bread
news.
basket of Europe. Ukraine, 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 Ukraine.
Would you also like a travel guide to the UK?
I would, in case I ever want to.
Are these like French fries?
I hope so.
These look
Okay,
disgusting.
let's first grab out
Ukraine.
Justin, do you want to put in the tunnel of love?
Oh gosh, yes. Okay,
This does not look sketchy at all. Okay,
so let's move. Let's,
Flavored plastic.
so first things
what do we want to
first,
start off with?
we have these like French fry looking
Potato boom.
Potato boom.
potato booms. We have two different flavors.
Onion flavored corn sticks.
It's
Potato time.
veal flavored potato boom.
And also onion flavored.
Let's try these veal ones. These are gonna be disgusting.
I'm so prepared for this. I don't get to open
Hey,
anything
Justin.
though. Ooh, I get the first bite.
Ooh, these actually don't smell bad.
These just smell like Funyuns.
Can
They
I?
taste like Funyuns. I think they're just Funyuns, but
These are Funyuns except from Europe.
No, I've never
That's
had.
actually really good.
I've never had a
Wait,
Funyun
these are
before.
really good.
I've never had a Funyun in my life, so.
Time for the veal.
Funyuns are good. Wait, you look uncomfortable. Should I not eat it?
It's less good than this one. This one is less good than this one. Oh, the aftertaste on this one is better actually. Just kidding.
That's so bad.
No,
It tastes
it's
like,
like, yeah.
if beef jerky and a Frito were combined, that would be this.
It's like
I definitely like the onion ones better. The onion ones are actually really good. I'm going to continue eating this.
wait, okay.
The
Next-
onion ones
next
are good.
snack.
They're good.
Next snack, the Yum Yum bag. I want to know what this is, so I'm opening this.
That's so sketchy.
Look at this. Oh, gosh. A very hearty bag.
Most athletic thing I've seen you do all week.
Okay, so inside there's got some. We have some like.
It's
lady-
grandma candy.
Yeah.
We have
Okay.
grandma candy.
Well,
We got a
Okay.
Minky Binky.
wait, why does it say
Ew.
it's filled?
This is a
It's-
peach-filled toffee.
Yo, can I have the peach one?
Yes.
You want-
Wait, mine is a gummy.
Yo, what?
Yo, those are gummies.
It's a ladybug.
This
I
is a
thought it was
blueberry filled
strawberry, but
toffee.
it's ladybug.
Oh, ready?
Okay.
Wait, guys,
Justin,
do a
at
little.
the same time, you get the peach, I get the blueberry.
Okay.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Those are only
There's goo on the inside.
This is not good. This is not good at all. Oh God.
Wait, guys, this one's good.
This is not good.
That one's good. It's
Not
like a
good.
gusher.
Mine's pretty good. I actually like the peach one.
No, it's gross.
Here.
I'm not doing that.
You're not gonna lady in the champion?
Just eat it. That thing was not good. I need another onion potato steak.
Is that dip?
Is our next meal?
3 up. Is this upside down?
Gonna be
I
honest.
don't know.
It looks transparent.
Golden
on the green
potato
screen.
chips?
It looks like
It looks transparent to me too. I can't
from the
remember.
cover. I'm going to assume. I can only assume it's like these things, but like Dunkaroos, and it's just a thing of sour cream on the inside.
Okay, wait. But it's also there's Tony the Tiger on it, so like
So they're gonna be great.
That is a lion.
Tony the Lion.
Wait,
I'm
what?
disappointed there's no sour cream dunk.
Yeah, why do they advertise? That's false advertising.
We were bait.
Actually, it probably says that it doesn't come with it. But wait, it just says it's dill and sour cream flavored
This is like
potato
They're-
chips.
This is like a graham, like an off-brand graham cracker.
not even. It's like paper thin. Ready?
So
3, 2, 1.
It's like a
It's like a Pringle.
I like a Pringle. It's like a long Pringle.
Can I get my Pringles an extra one, please?
These are actually good.
Why is this boy the absolute size of this lad?
I think this is the second best one so far. I really like those onion stick things. These
I
are
do
good.
too.
They're good.
The aftertaste is like.
Tony the Tiger did not disappoint. What's up next? These dark chocolate things. Actually, we have dark chocolate,
is so good for
caramel, and cinnamon little flavoring.
It's literally just chocolate, I think. We also just have other chocolate here. But it's from the Ukraine.
Oh boy! Oh, look at the cute little packaging.
We have enough for...
It looks like one's missing though. Mr. Xiao's got hungry. Alright, we better take one, right?
Mr.
Three.
Shaws. Come on. Guess
Come on.
guess appearance.
Throw. Ready?
Ooh, sick.
3, 2, 1. Ooh, it got filling.
Mm.
That's good.
Ooh, real good. We need lapel mics so they can hear us chew.
Gonna be honest, guys. Not a fan of chocolate.
Really?
Yeah.
I mean, this
I
last
thought
one.
that
though.
was good.
Oh, really?
No, it was good for chocolate.
That's my favorite one so far. Overtook the potato stick.
So, guys, I'm gonna be honest. I don't know how to open this. Just kidding.
And just a candy bar. Just
I figured out how to open this. Well, I was gonna say something,
I hope
but
this one tastes fancy.
I'm just not the sharpest.
It's like
tool in the shed.
it's like a Toblerone kind of thing.
Okie dokie.
There's just normal
Feast, my
milk chocolate.
friends. Yeah, well, I mean, it's
Oh,
Ro-
there's a
something
filling.
in it.
Roched milk chocolate.
What's the filling though?
It literally just says Roched milk
You're not
chocolate.
gonna eat this one?
I am.
Yes, you are.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, this-
Chocolate with the mystery filling. 3,
Wow,
2, 1,
wait
go.
for a 3,
Go.
2,
3, 2,
1.
1, go.
I never did. I never have.
I don't like that
Dude,
at
I
all.
don't like this at all.
Mr. Shaws?
Wait, this one is so
It
bad.
tastes like almost like banana.
It tastes like a rancid Cadbury egg.
Gonna
It's
be
not good at all.
Gonna be honest, guys. I quite like this.
Eat it then. It's not good.
Of course, this is the one you like.
I can't tell what's worse, that or that blueberry whatever I had. Last one. Oh, yeah.
Wait, curd? Like,
I don't know.
I don't really like that.
Ew.
It's called curd.
Okay, this is the one Justin's been most excited for. And the label says waffles curd with a chocolate.
English.
This does not look good. Does not sound good. I was reading the package. Yeah, it's wafers with cheese curd and chocolate flavored filling.
Wait, cheese curd and chocolate and...
This is gonna be disgusting.
I'm so excited.
Justin is extremely excited. I think I might puke. This is not first ever vomit on the RamCast. This is not. Oh God, no.
Oh my god, ew, it smells like fudge. It literally
It was so
smells
bad.
It smells like a gym sneaker.
Guys, I'm gonna be honest.
Just eat it.
I feel like
Smell it.
if I smell it, I'm not gonna be able to eat it. So I just have to eat it. I just gotta go for it.
I do not want a bite
No,
of that.
this
They're so
it smells
big.
like foot fungus.
Why is it like 4 of them pressed together?
Please pray for me.
Do it, Justin. Oh my God, I can smell it. I'm going to throw up. That's so. That's all the time we have. For those of you wondering, Justin just spit that thing straight. I can still smell it. That's disgusting. We're gonna rank these top to bottom real quick. Definitely last.
That was the worst thing I've ever had in my life.
Definitely last.
I can still feel
I'm
it.
crying.
It's in my heart and soul.
My favorite was probably, I threw the packaging, but the that cinnamon
The dark
caramel.
chocolate.
Yeah, that was really good. Second best, I still like my potato boom.
Potato chips.
The
Potato onion.
yeah, the French fry onions. I don't know.
I was hoping someone would feed me one.
What other thing is on this little list?
Really
The
weird.
weirdest? Probably
That
the
monstrosity.
cheese and chocolate.
It's
It is
cheese.
so bad. I can smell it from the other side of this table.
If anybody wants a piece, I will leave them here. I will never touch them because they're the worst things I've ever consumed. I'm gonna be honest.
I came into this thinking there was going to be some gross stuff in this box, and I'm like, I have to do it. I have to eat it for the channel. But I opened that thing, and there was no shot. No shot at all.
I don't think I can ever look
Everything
at
else
that.
wasn't that bad though.
No.
Everything else was good.
I mean, that blueberry
That-
thing
the
was disgusting, but I can't even imagine it would be nearly as bad
That
as that.
ladybug gummy though that you didn't have, that was
That was
really
good.
good.
It
Yeah,
was.
it tasted like a
Disappointed.
gusher.
Yeah,
I'm
I mean, I
disappointed.
tried to split it with you.
I was not going to Lady and the Tramp that with you, Justin. So, that's all the time we have for today,
Wait.
ladies and gentlemen.
Okay, wait.
Oh, Justin's filling out a paper.
I have to fill out the paper that tells the people.
We just did that.
No, well, no one actually filled out the paper. Okay, there's a paper here and everything. I swear to God, unprofessional.
Justin, edit a paper above us. He's not going to do that, but
there's no way in the heck. Oh, I can't read. Are
You
these available?
should take like pictures of the box and pictures of that.
Yeah, we
and
will.
Stuff to like put into your video.
too bad we already crunched it all.